Number 1. 1984 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, $6,500, Amherst, Virginia. This 1984 Chevrolet 1500 is an appealing classic pickup for someone looking for an honest driver rather than a fully restored show truck. It has 80,589 miles indicated, a manual transmission, black exterior, blue interior, and a gasoline engine. The seller has owned it for 5 years and is providing a folder of receipts, invoices, personal service records, repair records, the owner's manual, and some original sales paperwork. That documentation adds meaningful value because it gives a future owner a clearer picture of the truck's history. The seller also mentions additional parts included with the truck and notes that the good and bad areas are shown in the photographs. At $6,500, its value will depend heavily on the actual body, frame, and mechanical condition, but the documentation and relatively low indicated mileage make this one worth a close inspection. Number 2. 1984 Ford F1 XLT, $2,000, Littlestown, Pennsylvania. This 1984 Ford F1 XLT is an inexpensive entry into the classic pickup hobby. It shows 50,000 miles, has a manual transmission, brown exterior and interior, and is powered by a 302 cubic inch small block gasoline engine. The seller describes it as a brick-nose Ford, referring to the distinctive squared-off styling used on Ford pickups of this era. Most importantly, it runs and drives without reported issues and only needs a front dashboard piece. At just $2,000, this could be a very attractive project for someone who wants a usable truck that can gradually be improved rather than a complete restoration requiring major mechanical work. The combination of a V8 engine, manual transmission, and low asking price gives it considerable enthusiast appeal. Number 3. 1984 GMC Sierra 3500 regular cab and chassis, $3,000, Charlestown, West Virginia. This 1984 GMC Sierra 3500 is a heavy-duty two-wheel drive work truck equipped with a 6.2-liter diesel engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The odometer shows 51,808 miles, although buyers should verify the mileage. According to the seller, it fires up, drives, and shifts properly, and a new battery has been installed. The main mechanical concern is a brake caliper that occasionally sticks. Its straightforward construction could appeal to someone building a utility truck, shop truck, or vintage hauler. The clean title is another positive. At $3,000, it looks particularly interesting if the frame and diesel engine are in sound condition. Number 4. 1969 Dodge D100, $950, New Bern, North Carolina. At $950, this 1969 Dodge D100 is clearly a low-cost project or parts vehicle rather than a finished classic. It has approximately 100,000 miles indicated, a 318 cubic inch V8, and an automatic transmission. The seller says it runs and can be driven around the yard, but describes it as an old, rusty truck with extensive rust. The D100 remains interesting to vintage Dodge enthusiasts because of its classic styling and simple mechanical layout. It could work as a donor, rat rod foundation, or budget restoration if the frame and major components are usable. At this price, the buyer should focus on parts value and structural condition. Number 5. 1960 Ford F1, $2,500, Alliance, Ohio. This 1960 Ford F1 is a big window model with a V8 engine and standard manual transmission. The truck reportedly sat in Indiana for a long period before being acquired by the current seller. Several components have received attention, including the carburetor, brake master cylinder, clutch components, spark plugs, wires, and distributor cap. It starts and runs, and the clutch operates, but the brake system has a broken line and the front springs are broken. The body is described as rough. At $2,500, it could be an excellent foundation for a rat rod, traditional cruiser, or sympathetic restoration, provided the frame and cab structure are usable. Number 6. 1984 Dodge D150 long bed, $4,900, Syracuse, New York. This 1984 Dodge D150 is one of the more promising driver quality trucks in the group. It has 59,416 miles indicated, tan exterior and interior, automatic transmission, and a 318 cubic inch gasoline engine upgraded with an Edelbrock intake and a 600 cubic foot per minute 4-barrel carburetor. The seller says it came from Virginia and has avoided snow and rain with no body rust or bondo, although there is some surface rust on the frame. It reportedly runs and shifts well, has power steering and power disc brakes, and can be driven home. The fuel gauge does not work, and some minor electrical repairs are needed. At $4,900, it is an attractive classic Dodge with usable mechanical upgrades. Number 7. 1963 Ford F100, $2,200, Asheboro, North Carolina. This 1963 Ford F100 is an unusual project because the seller has installed a Buick 340 V8 and a Turbo 350 automatic transmission. The truck is described as solid with very little rust, which is valuable on an early 1960s pickup. It currently runs and drives from a gas can, suggesting that the fuel system needs attention. The seller also lists brake work, a key, tires, and a battery among the required items. The clean title and one-owner history are significant positives. At $2,200, this could be an excellent project for someone who appreciates early Ford styling without requiring factory original mechanical components. Number 8. 1984 Ford F150 Heritage Regular Cab, $1,800, Pineville, West Virginia. This 1984 Ford F150 is a simple two-wheel drive regular cab pickup with a 4-speed manual transmission and approximately 150,000 miles. The seller provides very limited information, so the truck will require a thorough inspection. Its straightforward configuration appeals to buyers who enjoy the utilitarian character of 1980s Ford pickups, while the manual transmission adds to its old-school driving experience. At $1,800, the price leaves room for mechanical and cosmetic improvements if the frame, cab, and drivetrain are reasonably sound. This is best approached as a budget project where physical condition matters most. Number 9. 1980 Chevrolet C70 dump truck, $500, Winsted, Connecticut. For only $500, this 1980 Chevrolet C70 represents a very inexpensive heavy-duty truck project. It features a 10-foot dump body, a 366 cubic inch big block gasoline engine, 5-speed manual transmission, 2-speed rear axle, and a 28,500-pound gross vehicle weight rating. The truck has been parked for approximately 10 years, although the seller says it ran well when parked. After that much storage, every major system deserves inspection, including the fuel system, brakes, tires, cooling system, hydraulics, and drivetrain. At $500, the big block engine and heavy-duty equipment make it an interesting restoration or utility project. Number 10. 1980 Ford F250 regular cab long bed, $5,750, West Babylon, New York. This 1980 Ford F250 is a classic heavy-duty pickup with a regular cab, long bed, blue exterior and interior, manual transmission, and approximately 173,000 miles. The listing provides almost no mechanical details beyond the statement that it is priced to sell quickly, so a careful inspection is essential. The F250 offers greater work-oriented capability than a half-ton pickup, while the manual transmission fits its period-correct character. At $5,750, the price could be attractive if the frame, cab floors, suspension, and drivetrain are solid. Because the seller provides little information, condition verification is especially important. Number 11, 1979 Ford F150 long bed, $7,000. Yukon, Pennsylvania. This 1979 Ford F150 combines classic styling with an interesting engine specification. It has a C6 automatic transmission and a 429 cubic inch Ford engine block identified as a D150 casting. It shows approximately 90,000 miles and wears a yellow exterior and interior. The antique title is another positive for a collector-oriented buyer. A 429 gives this F-150 considerably more performance potential than a typical small block example. However, the listing does not provide detailed information about the engine's current condition or whether the 429 is original. At $7,000, it is an intriguing foundation for a period-style performance pickup, but the drivetrain and body should be carefully verified. Number 12, 1974 International 1300T, $1,200, Pemberton, New Jersey. This 1974 International 1300T is a heavy-duty project with a small block V8, 4-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, dual rear wheels, and former Mason dump equipment. It has been sitting for about 3 years, lacks a key, and needs cab and floor rust repairs. At $1,200, it is an affordable but demanding restoration project with plenty of character. Number 13, 1976 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab, $8,000, Shoemakersville, Pennsylvania. This modified 1976 Chevrolet 2500 features a 454 cubic inch big block engine, automatic transmission, lifted suspension, and a 1990 front-end conversion. It reportedly runs and drives with 84,000 miles listed. At $8,000, the condition of the engine, frame, modifications, and workmanship will determine its value. Number 14, 1982 Ford F150 long bed, $7,300, Wappingers Falls, New York. This 1982 Ford F150 is one of the more appealing original-style trucks in the group. It is described as a southern truck with zero body rust and only superficial undercarriage rust. It has a 302 cubic inch V8 automatic transmission, 2-wheel drive, and approximately 117,000 miles. The seller reports that it runs and drives great and has received considerable recent work. It has mainly been used for car shows and reportedly attracts plenty of attention. Some functional issues remain, including a stuck heater control, non-working air conditioning and cruise control components, and oil leaks. At $7,300, the rust-free body and overall presentation are its biggest advantages. Number 15, 1978 Dodge 8-foot Stepside, $8,000, East Worcester, New York. This 1978 Dodge Stepside is a distinctive classic pickup with an 8-foot bed, green exterior, automatic transmission, and a 318 cubic inch V8. The seller also describes it as having a 4-speed setup, so the exact transmission should be confirmed. The truck has been lowered and reportedly comes from Jem's Body Shop in East Worcester. Recent work includes new brakes, radiator, tires, carburetor, and starter. It also has a positive traction rear axle and is currently inspected. With approximately 157,448 miles, it is not a low-mileage survivor, but the recent work and custom stance make it appealing. At $8,000, it could be a fun vintage Dodge for someone seeking a finished cruiser.